Good morning, y'all. What up? My name is Denisha. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I like to make workout content, fitness content, and some little advice content from time to time. But today we're going to work out. Later, we're going to do this hair. So, today I want to do Capri Curves workout. I don't know if you know who she is or not, but I'm going to pop her picture up here and you're going to be like, oh, wow. So I'm going to do her workout today because she has a Drop the Fat, Keep the Curves challenge. And I have been having it, but I haven't been consistent with it. So that's what we're doing today. My workout shirt that I got from Target. And I don't know where I got these black shorts from, so I'm not going to lie to you. But yeah, I need to get more workout tops. I only have like 4. A lot of white ones. This blue one, a pink one, and another pink one. But I have a lot of colorful shorts, so yeah. I need to get some more workout outfits, but this is what we're wearing today, and we got the Nike socks on. I like to put the Nike socks on because they make me feel like I'm doing something. So, let's go do arm, hit, and abs. so I just finished working out and I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm sweating. I know I look crazy. That was a good workout. Definitely make sure you work out today. I know it's hard. You got to do it sometimes when you don't feel like it, but also know when you need a break. It's like, it's about balance. Don't feel like you have to go to the gym every single day and you can't miss a day, because everybody's human. I'm human. You're human. We are imperfect beings. So just go out there and try to do the best you can, because I know that's all I can do, and that's all you can do. So thanks for watching another video.